I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at RealMoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today, let's look at Kinder Morgan Energy Partners, Microsoft, and Lionsgate Entertainment. Okay, let's start with Kinder Morgan. Now, Cramer talked to the CEO on Mad Money last night. Here's the deal. Let me show you what he likes right here. 5.3. That's the dividend yield. This is a stock that he says you got to own. He likes it. Oil and gas pipelines. What's not to like? Look, weekly chart, you can see this thing's just really taken off. This is not the tradable moment here. We need to look at the daily chart. And you can see it's bouncing along the 20-day moving average. That's the middle Bollinger Band. So here's what you do. Again, this is a dividend stock. It's also, though, a capital appreciation stock. The stock's moving higher. So just draw a line along here. Draw a line along there. Guys, it's just really not that tough. Take a little bit of stock right here. If the stock drifts higher, great, you're on board. If the stock drifts sideways, probably in about 2 or 3 weeks, you're going to be able to take some more at the same level right before it bounces higher. Now, Cramer also compared Google and Microsoft, saying that Microsoft actually comes out on the better end of the stick here. He thinks it can go higher, particularly if Thailand returns to full production on their hard drives. Okay, fine. Look, here's really where the prior resistance was. You got, what, like a breakaway gap? Maybe. Here's just the issue that I have with Microsoft. It's been in like a range-bound... It's been range-bound for years, literally for years. So if you want to get long this stock, fine. You got a little teeny-tiny 2.7% yield. But what I want you to do is just trade it with some control. Take a small position. This is totally safe money. You're not going to get hurt here. Maybe you're going to get a little bit of capital appreciation, but generally speaking, it's just not going to do that much for you relative to some of the other stocks that you can buy. Like Lionsgate Entertainment. This was Guy Adami's first trade today, last night on Fast Money. And look here, the stock has been trading in a volatility squeeze, bounced right off the 50-day moving average, and it's now moving higher. It's got some pretty strong upside momentum. Look at the weekly chart. It's an uptrend, guys. I'm just telling you. This is another one. I don't want you to go in big, but look for a pullback. The stock's trading right along the upper Bollinger Band. This is what strong stocks do. But if you get a pullback, say, to yesterday's intraday low, somewhere around 9:30, that's really not a bad time to be buying this stock. Again, because it's got some really nice upside momentum. If you haven't done it already, go do it now. Get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? It's a new service. It's an awesome service. Lots of good trading ideas. Some of the best are in my articles, FitzBits. 5 charts in each article, 4 articles a week. What's that amount to? You do the math. It's about 80 charts a month. You've got to be able to find a good trade in there somewhere. So get over there and check that out. Also, go over to my website, that's stockmarketmentor.com. Sign up for my email list. It's totally free, and I will send you 1 video a day with a charting idea that's designed to do 2 things. First of all, teach you how to fish for yourself. Second of all, maybe toss a fish on your hook every once in a while. Okay, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you next time.